My name is Hasbrady Salazar. I am 36 years old. My national is Colombia. I live in Bogota. My family is married on two kids, one boy and one girl. My daughter Camila and my son Thomas. They are my habits. I am a student business administration. I am Finnish. I like listening music. I like fried chicken, fast food, salad. I like watch the sunset on the beach. I dislike disorder, noise, and dislike the exercise. I sometimes go to the cinema and with kids. Every day I'm going to work occasionally and use public service. I usually visit my relatives on the weekend and have had dinner. I never gone out for sport, not even a week. My last was a trip on the beach. That was a year I went with my family. We stayed for a week. For next year, we plan to go out the visit our place. And name of the city or place where it located. My place is Santa Marta. What were you doing there? I was on vacation with my family. How was the water like? The water was quite hot. How often did you do the how often did you do time? I went out every day to do activities. What are your future plans? My plan is graduate next year. Thank you.